Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to Watchbox and thanks for logging on. Watches and Wonders 2022 is underway, and it's our first full-scale industry trade show since Basel Worlds 2019. Big brands and small are represented, and we're focusing on some of the independents first, starting with Geneva-based luxury watch startup Czapek. So the Antarctique sports watch line expands its offerings this year. Czapek's 2021 Antarctique Rattrapante was both a critical and a sales success, and 2022 brings a new edition, the Rattrapante Ice Blue. At first glance, it can be a challenge to see the difference between the Rattrapante of last year and this year's model, but look closer and it becomes apparent that the metallic time scales for the chronograph of 2021 have given way to lovely blue-tinted sapphire scales for this new model year. Now, technically nothing changes as the dial side movement with double column wheels remains both the beating heart and the focal point of the Antarctique Rattrapante style. The chronograph remains all of the following from last year. 42.5 millimeters in stainless steel, very much a sports watch, with a quick release, that is, they call it an easy release system for its bracelets, so you can swap between bracelet and straps. We have 120-meter water resistance, plenty of dial loom, and of course the optional availability of the leather or the rubber strap built for this model for an integrated look. Now, Czapek didn't provide a case-back shot of the new split, but here's a case-back shot of last year's model with the identical caliber SXH6. It's an automatic winder with 60 hours of power reserve, and movement specialist Chronode was responsible for this Czapek exclusive movement. Pricing will start at $56,400, and the Ice Blue will be a limited edition of 99 pieces. Availability begins in March. Stay tuned to Watchbox Studios for updated news, views, and reviews from Watches and Wonders 2022.